Move from surface level to deep connection with your family. Start your day with a daily routine. Focus on moving from surface level to deep connection with your family by being fully present in small moments. Wake up a little early to share breakfast or tea without distractions. Practicing active listening and meaningful conversation instead of rush talk. Throughout the day, send a thoughtful message, check in emotionally, and express appreciations to strengthen family bonds. Eat dinner together, ask open ended questions, share stories, and reflect on high and lows of the day. In your routine with gratitude, quality time, or a short family, rituals like prayer, journaling, or planning tomorrow together. By constantly prioritizing presence, empathy, and communication, this daily habit helps transform casual interactions into deep family connection, builds trust, and creates lasting emotional intimacy that support a happier, more connected home. Encourage the whole family to help clean up after dinner. Encourage the whole family to help clean up after dinner by turning into a simple, consistent daily routine that builds teamwork and responsibility. After finishing the meal, assign age appropriate tasks such as cleaning plates, washing dishes, wiping the table, or organizing leftovers so everyone feels included. Keep the atmosphere positive by playing music, chatting, or setting a short time goal to make post dinner clean up with and stress free. This shared habit not only keeps the kitchen clean but also teaches cooperation, accountability, and respect for shared spaces. By involving everyone, each evening families creates a balanced routine that strengthens bonds, reduces household stress, and promotes a cleaner, more organized home. Put every item back in its home before going to bed. Build a calming daily routine by putting every item back in its home before going to bed to maintain an organized, stress-free environment. Each night, take 5 to 10 minutes to return clothes, books, devices, and daily essentials to their proper places, turning cleanup into the mindful habit rather than at home. This simple end of the day routine reduces clutter, save time in morning, and support better sleep by creating a tidy, peaceful space. By constantly resetting your home before bedtime, you reinforce organization, improve productivity, and wake up to the clean, clutter-free environment that set a positive tone for the next day. Unplug and choose to truly connect. Create a meaningful daily routine by unplugging and choosing to truly connect with the people around you. Set intentional screen free moments each day. during meals, conversation, or even in family time to reduce digital distractions and be fully present. Use this unplugged time to listen deeply, share thoughts, and engage in real conversations that strengthen emotional bonds. By making digital detox a day habit, you improve focus, reduce stress, and nature authentic relationships. Constantly choosing connection over screen helps build deeper communication, stronger relationships, and a more balanced, mindful lifestyle. Choose and lay out your clothes for the next day. Simplify your morning with a smart daily routine of choosing and laying out your clothes for the next day. Each evening, take a few minutes to select an outfit based on your schedule, weather, and priorities, reducing decisions fatigue and morning stress. This simple habit saves time, improves productivity, and helps you to start the day feeling organized and confident. By constantly preparing your clothes the night before, you create a smoother morning routine, support better time management, and set a positive, focused tone for the day ahead. Set the do not disturb setting on your phone the hour before bedtime. Improve your sleep and mental clarity with a daily routine of setting the do not disturb mode on your phone an hour before bedtime. Each night, silence notifications calls and alerts to reduce digital distraction and allow your mind to unwind naturally. These simple habits support better sleep quality, lowers stress, and help your body transitions into a restful state. By consciously activating Do Not Disturb before bed, you protect your nighttime routine, encourage healthier screen habits, and create a calm, tech-free environment that promotes deeper rest and a more energized morning. Take a hot shower before bed. Relax your body and mind with the soothing daily routine of taking a hot shower before bed. Each night, enjoy a warm shower to release muscle tension, reduce stress, and signal your body that it's time to wind down. This calming habit helps regulate body temperature, promoting faster sleep onset and better sleep quality. By making a hot shower part of your bedtime routine, you create a peaceful transitions from a busy day to restful sleep, supporting deeper relaxations, improve sleep hygiene, and a more refreshed morning. Have a consistent bedtime. Support better sleeps and overall wellness by building a daily routine with a consistent bedtime. Going to bed at the same time each night helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easy to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. This healthy habit improves sleep quality, boosts energy level, and enhances focus throughout the day. By maintaining a regular bedtime, your student sleep hygiene reduce nighttime restlessness and create a balanced lifestyle that support a long-term physical and mental well-being. Prioritize sleep instead of doing one more thing. Build a healthier lifestyle with a daily routine that prioritizes sleep instead of doing one more thing. Each night, choose rest over late nights, rolling extra work and unfinished tasks, allowing your body and mind to fully recharge. This intentional habit improves sleep quality, reduces stress, and boosts productivity and focus the next day. By consciously putting the sleep first, you strengthen your bedtime routine, protect your energy level, and support long term physical and mental well being. Improving the quality rest is more valuable than squeezing in one last activity. In the night with the reading a book, not your phone. Create a calming bedtime habit with a daily routine that ends the night by reading a book instead of your phone. Each evening, replace screen time with a physical or e-reader book to reduce blue light exposure and help your mind relax naturally. This simple routine improves sleep quality, lowers stress, and encourages mindfulness before bed. By choosing reading over scrolling, you strengthen your nighttime routine, support healthier sleep hygiene, and unwind peacefully, setting the stage for deeper rest and a more focused, energized morning. In next tutorial, I will bring you daily routine English tutorials. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.